mentioned my name, right? Okay. Yeah. No, you criticized me. You criticized me. So you criticized me. You
Oh,
criticized me, and that's why
You have the brass to call my speech nonsense. Who are you? Absolute havoc you are wreaking in the country, and you are the brass neck to stand up here and try to answer me. Sit down, please. You speak when you have to speak. You don't answer when questions are raised. All you can say is raise it officially. I am talking about what you are doing today. How you have set the goons on the attack to arrest university academics, to arrest teachers, to arrest trade union leaders, not in uniform. He has if the word nonsense is to attach to anything, that is to the honorable minister, not to my speech. I am making a point. There is no point of order. Ask him to sit down. So all I'm saying is that the teachers today are demonstrating on very justifiable ground. They have come out in protest against the Kotalawala Defence University bill. And we saw,
2 minutes.
yes, thank you, sir. And we saw how they were arrested, produced before the magistrate, who enlarged them on bail, and at the gate of the magistrate court, they were bundled into a jeep by this minister's goons and taken to Mullatthivu. What kind of justice is that? Now he walks away, unable to say anything. And therefore, the teachers came out in protest. There is a BC Pereira report. He must be going to now organize my arrest as I leave the parliament. There is a BC Pereira report. The BC Pereira report has recommended how anomalies with regard to teachers and principals' salary is to be resolved. That must be implemented. That is all that the teachers are asking. You don't have to attack them like this. You don't have to arrest them for this. You don't have to arrest trade unionists like this. After all, the SLFP, which is a core, which is a foundation of who the government consists of, is based on trade unions and trade union rights. If trade union rights can't be respected by this government, I don't know what they will respect.
Thank you.
So I'm winding up, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. And I'm saying on both these issues, on COVID-19 challenge that the country faces, you have failed. You have made that situation far worse by how you deal with law and order in the country today.